Myself, Bhuvaneshwari. This is my final year MCA project. My project title is Secure Cloud Storage using hash Solomon and customized hash algorithm in Foxcentric. Abstract. To improve the security level by using the hash algorithm, cloud server can access the data and control over users' data, to read or search through the user's data, to protect the data and retrieve the data from the multiple sources, even when some blocks are missing. Introduction is nothing but a cloud can be private or public. A public cloud sells services to anyone on the internet. For example, currently Amazon Web Services is the largest public cloud provider. A private cloud is a proprietary network or a data center that supplies hosted services to a limited number of people. Problem definition. Security issues of cloud storage are a potential different in its widespread adoption. The privacy breach, malicious modification, and data loss are emerging cyber threats against cloud storage. Existing system. The cloud computing, once users outsource the data to the cloud, they can no longer protect it physically. Cloud service provider can access the data and search or modify the data stored in the cloud storage. At the same time, the cloud service provider may lose the data unintentionally due to some technical faults. Proposed system. Fog-based cloud storage scheme for data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. A proposed method refers to as XOR combination that splits the data into several blocks, combine the multiple blocks using XOR operation, and outsource the resoluted blocks to different cloud fog servers. Architecture. This is the architecture of my project. The data owner is upload the file in cloud server, and the cloud server is split the data in three types: fog server 1 and fog server 2, fog server 3. And the data user is access the data and decrypt the data. Modules. There are three types of modules: privacy preserving, XOR combination, and collision resolving hashing. Privacy preserving. The privacy preserving is nothing but trusted fog server processes the data and stores the metadata into its storage and uploads the data to the different cloud storages. A cloud server is able to retrieve the data. It only gets a fraction of data. XOR combination. The XOR combination is a novel approach used for privacy preservation and data loss recoverability simultaneously. It receives the padded data as an input and returns two sets of tuples as output, where each tuple consists of a block tag and fixed length blocks. Collision resolving hashing. The collision resolving hashing is a proposed technique based on a standard hashing algorithm that successfully checks the consistency even if there exists a collision. Collision resolving hashing is able to distinguish between original text and modified text despite having such collision. Expected output. This is the expected output of my project. Is a home page, data owner register form. The data owner is enter the details of data owner register form, data owner login form, register successfully, data owner, and data owner is upload the file, and the cloud server is divided into three types: Fog server 1, Fog server 2, Fog server 3. It has a different types of hash codes. File uploaded successfully, and the data user register form, enter the details and register the data user. Data user login form, file search, data user search the file, is a file search. The data user is sent to the request to data owner. Request is sent successfully. Cloud server, and the data owner is accept the data user's request. Finally download the files. Future enhancement. Future enhancement is nothing but to enhance the efficiency of fog-based cloud storage service, to improve the security of fog server for a robust fog-centric cloud computing infrastructure, to enable cloud server to compute the cryptic data without revealing any information from it. Conclusion. Finally, collision resolving hashing supports the detection of any modification. XR combination enables better data recoverability, and collision resolving hashing facilitates integrity checks almost with certainty. Security analysis proves that it is computationally hard to extract plain text from a combined block, which is outcome of XR combination. The end.